Welcome to another video of Zack's pronunciation. I am pronouncing car names by Bugatti. This luxury car name is pronounced Bugatti Centodieci, Bugatti Centodieci, Bugatti Centodieci. In Bugatti, the emphasis is on the second syllable ga, Bugatti, and in chen-toh-dee-EH-chee, the emphasis is on the fourth syllable a, chen-toh-dee-EH-chee, Bugatti Centodieci. It's another exclusive model from Bugatti, created as a tribute to the iconic EB110 from the 1990s. Bugatti Centodieci. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation for more pronunciation and language related videos.